Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you are looking for a last minute dessert for your guests or for yourself that still feels really special, you have got to check out this Mughe Gourmet Baklava pastry gift box. I was pleasantly surprised at just how fresh tasting these are. They have a perfect combination of textures. They have that little touch of sticky, chewy sweetness. I get that hearty crunch from the nuts and the crispy yet melt in your mouth pastry. I think that delicate sweetness pairs so well with the flaky pastry that I just want to keep eating it. I love that the treats are petite in size, so we can try each variety in one sitting, no problem. They are just right for a little bite-sized after dinner dessert. I really like baking and having homemade goodies to share, but lately I just don't have the time. These Mughe treats are something that I am just as proud to give to my company and enjoy with them. In my opinion, these offer excellent quality and long-lasting freshness, and I love that they come in this beautiful tin, so if I want to give them as a gift, they're good to go. Take it from me that once you try these pastries, you are going to want to have them in your pantry all the time. But that's just my point of view.